I just received a lot of sterling silver jewelry, scrap silver. I'm going to test it for its sterling silver content. Got it off eBay. This was the advertisement. Okay. Everything in the picture seems to be the same. It claims to be 60.3 grams. So this is the silver lot. 60.2 grams of supposedly sterling silver bought from eBay. Different stuff. There's these little ends here. Obviously some of this weight here isn't sterling. So let's start by doing just a quick magnet test. Just make sure it's not steel. There's no steel in here. That would eliminate, so yeah. Okay, so that's good. This is the testing equipment. Got some tissues, testing stone. This is the testing acid, a siphon, and a scale to measure the weight. So let's test this little angel here for silver content. I scratched it up against my testing stone, and then I laid just a tiny layer of testing acid on there, not too much, and we want to see if it's going to dry up and change color. We want to see if it's going to react with the silver. It's been on there for about 20 seconds now. I like to wait about 30 seconds. So let's. It looks like it's turned to a reddish color. That's what we want. Sterling silver would be a dark red. If the liquid doesn't change color, it's not silver at all. So that's a dark red. That's definitely. Also, it had the markings in the back. It's really hard to see, but it says MEX 925. So let's test this little medallion here for its silver content. Here's my testing stone. Just rub it on this testing stone. Get a nice little layer of silver, as you can see here. Now put on a little bit of the acid solution. I just want to get a thin layer on here, just so that it reacts, because we only have a thin layer of silver or sterling silver on the stone. So just spread it out, and we give it about 30 seconds. Okay, so let's see if the solution here changed colors. So I'll just wipe it off. And you see here, oh, maybe it's not even sterling silver. Seems like it's not. This is a good example. I think this here would be sterling silver. I haven't tested it yet. I don't know if you can see, but there's some green tarnishing on there. Sterling silver tends to tarnish green with time, with exposed to when it's being oxidized, while some silver jewelry becomes more of a black if it's 100% silver, or if it's been in contact with oily human skin. So this necklace here, we can see it's black. Okay, so the necklace is turned to black. If this is sterling silver, which it probably is, it would make perfect sense, because this is sterling silver against the skin of somebody that's obviously worn it. So I'm weighing what I've tested to be actual sterling silver. First batch is this right here. I'm gonna have to weigh it in two different batches, so it equals to 5 grams, because there's plastic in there. So in conclusion, from my eBay shipment, this here, what you see here, all these necklaces and pendants and etc. pins, this is what was sterling silver after I've done my acid testing. And these three little things here were not sterling silver, although this here is marked sterling. It's falsely marked. I've tested this over and over again. There's no sterling silver in there. See that? This is sterling. So in the end, non-sterling was 8.6 grams. My sterling, I had to weigh it in two different batches. was 51.2 grams. So for a total of 59.8, and I neglected a bit for the plastic here. So it's as the same weight as the eBay advertisement said, except that a small portion of it wasn't sterling. So I don't think the seller will be getting a good review. But all in all, it's still a decent purchase.